Hello guys, welcome to Otafrija Super TV. If today be your first time of visiting this channel, please I would like you to subscribe. Also click on the notification bell so anytime I upload a video you get a notification. Today I'm going to show you how you can make free unlimited calls with just 30 pesos on MTN. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. I will be right back. Okay, welcome back. So you go to your dialer, you dial *550#, then you choose your SIM mode. So there is a pop-up menu saying welcome to MTN office. The first one is packs, second one pause, third one Jara, then the fourth one number reservation. Sorry, let me go to it again. *550#, then you choose your SIM mode. So welcome to MTN office. 1 packs, 2 pause, the third one Jara, the fourth one number reservation, and then the fifth one go bundle, the sixth one free after one, seventh one MTN rewards, and the eighth one more. So I want free after one, so I'll select option 6. Then you send. Welcome to MTN free after one. Choose an option below. The first one activate, second one deactivate, the third one information. So I want to activate, so I will select one. Then we send. Please confirm purchase of free after one. So the first one say confirm, second one cancel, so I want to confirm, so I'll select option 1, then you send. So congrats, you have subscribed to MTN free after one. Pay for only the first minute of each local call and enjoy 60 free minutes on all network plus 50 megabyte daily. So this is the message. Congrats, you are subscribed to MTN free after one. Pay for only the first minute of each local call and enjoy 60 free minutes on all network plus 50 megabytes daily. I hope this video is helpful, so subscribe and click on the notification bell and also share. Thank you.